Hey, let me show you unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 from the European distribution. And first of all, let's quickly take a look on the box. We can find here some important information, like for example the version on our device, So in my case, I've got the LTE, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and the GPS. Also, I can find here the size of the strap, so it's actually 40 millimeters. And that will be actually all. Now, to actually open the box, we have to remove these stickers or seals, however you call it, from the top and from the bottom. There we go. Now we are inside, and right here, let's check what we can find. Okay, there's actually some kind of the usual manual and warranty, so I'm not gonna check for it because there's nothing interesting. And right here we can actually find the charger, which looks like this. There we go. This is the wireless charger with the USB-C port. This is our watch with this white strap, the sensor at the bottom, two buttons. This is the home button, so if we want to turn it on, probably we have to hold this one. Let's find out. There we go. And this is the back button. Right here we can find the microphone, and I'm looking for the speaker, but it looks like the speaker is not available here, or maybe it's hidden somewhere. I'm gonna check this later, but yeah, this is it, the quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 from the European distribution. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.